In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and add watermark to photo in Canva. By the end, you'll have a clean, subtle text watermark that protects your work without distracting from the image. I'm working inside a Canva design with a photo already on the canvas, so you can follow along in any existing project. First, look to the left sidebar and hover over the text option. This opens Canva's text tools, where you'll add and style the watermark. You don't need any advanced features here. Just the basic text controls will do the job. Next, click Add a text box. Canva places an editable text layer onto your design, and your typing cursor should appear inside it. If it doesn't, simply click inside the box so you're ready to type. Now enter your watermark text. This could be your brand name, website, or social handle. Short and consistent is best. Keep it clear and professional. Even though this text will be partially transparent, you still want it to be readable at a glance. Avoid long phrases or anything that might clutter the photo. With the text selected, click the color control in the top toolbar to change its color. The color picker helps you set the base tone before you fade the watermark. This matters because the final look is a combination of color and transparency. Choose the color you want from the panel. As a guideline, pick a color that naturally contrasts with most of the image. On lighter photos, a darker neutral works well. On darker photos, a soft white or light gray is a safe choice. Avoid overly bright hues that might pull attention away from the subject, since we're aiming for subtlety. Next, click the transparency icon, the small checkerboard in the top toolbar. This controls how prominently the watermark appears over your photo. Finally, adjust the slider to set the opacity. Slide left to make the watermark more transparent, right to make it bolder. A subtle watermark typically sits in the lighter range so it's visible, but not intrusive. Look for that sweet spot where the text is present and legible, yet the photo remains the hero. If your image has both light and dark areas, ensure your chosen color and transparency hold up across the scene so the mark doesn't disappear entirely. And that's it. You've created a simple, effective watermark using Canva's text, color, and transparency tools. This approach keeps your images protected and professional while maintaining a clean, polished look.